Well, our next guest has some great tips that will allow you to enjoy the fabulous weather outside despite your allergies. Bill Converse, an air expert and inventor, joins us now on how we can enjoy the summer and avoid those allergy attacks. Bill, it's great to have you here.
Thanks for having me.
Yeah, so we want to talk about what we have right here on the desk. These are called CritterZone air purifiers.
Yes.
All right, and so tell folks about what these do, and all you have to do is like plug them up.
You just plug them up and it re-energizes the air so that it acts like outdoor air. So it is like you living in outdoor air or your pets living in outdoor air. It really handles all of the allergens and gets rid of many of the things that cause people to react negatively with pets.
Okay, but that's not the only thing that can help people during allergy season. We have to do other things inside of our homes, right?
Oh yeah, it's kind of a common sense kind of thing because you realize, especially in the spring, you really have an accumulation of everything that is just kind of piled on during the wintertime. And that's when you're most vulnerable because that's when you live the longest indoors.
Okay, all right. So talk about some of those things. You mentioned that cleaning pillows is extremely important and can build up a lot of dust and things that we can't see.
Well, there's an awful lot of things living with us in our environment that we can't see. And then sometimes it's almost easier to weigh them than to see them. Your pillow, for example, it's kind of a clever idea to just weigh your pillow when you buy it and then get rid of it when it about doubles in weight, because all that extra weight are the little microbes that are living with you, and that's a kind of get rid of it. But everything you track in, everything when you send your pets out or when you're outside, especially in the springtime, you're tracking in the mold that is accumulated outside, the dead mold that's outside. There's nothing really to absorb it, so it's a time to be very clean.
Okay, and what about, speaking of pets, you did mention the pets, what can people do to help their allergies not be as bad if they do have pets?
Lots of extra grooming, lots of extra bathing. Just be sure that you're keeping their feet clean and that you give them a chance to wipe their feet when they come inside, and especially lots of little exercise, more short times outside.
Okay, and then going back to the little product right here, the CritterZone. Yeah, absolutely. Tell people how they can purchase these and where they can purchase them at.
Go online at www.CritterZoneUSA.com. There's a great place to buy them and learn more about the product.
All right. Well, thank you so much for joining us on Midday. Hope that lots of people got some good information about how to not have their allergies as bad as we go into the summer months.
Thank you.
All right. It was nice to meet you.